Hello, it's Fred from the Laptop Barn here. Today's video I'm going to talk about how to keep Facebook from tracking you on the web. Specifically, I'm going to talk about a add-on which has been just released to be added to the Mozilla Firefox web browser, which provides a container. It's called the Facebook container. I'm going to show you how to install that. And the container will act as the word implies, it's a container. It contains all your information and does not allow it to be released to the outside world. Okay, here's how you install it. Real easy. While you're in Mozilla Firefox, and you need to have the latest version, so do an update if you don't have the latest version. Actually, the installation will prompt you if you don't have the latest version and tell you to update it. But while in Firefox, which I'm in right now, go up to the upper right hand corner and there's this little hamburger icon. Looks like a hamburger, top bun, bottom bun, and meat. Click on that. Your choice on that is going to be add-ons, about halfway down. Click on add-ons, and these are all available add-on features to the Mozilla Firefox browser. Scroll down, and where it says see more add-ons, click on that. I'm going to get to the second page of these, and up comes some more. Scroll down, and in the center where it says social media customization, you'll see the Facebook container. Simply click on that to get it installed. You'll see that the Facebook container by Mozilla is designed to prevent Facebook from tracking you around the web. The Facebook container extension for Firefox helps you take control and isolate your web activity from Facebook. Hit the Add to Firefox button. It asks for your permission. Click on Add, and that quick it installed it. Hit OK, and you will now have that add-on added to your Firefox browser. What it's going to do is the next time you get into Facebook, it's going to contain your information within the browser and not allow the outside world to see it. That's simple. Now, this only works on Mozilla Firefox, does not work on Internet Explorer or Google Chrome. We go to my Facebook account, and again, my information is not being shared. No matter what I do or browse, it's not being shared. So that's it. That's one simple way to stop your information from being shared, but still continue to use Facebook just like you always did. This is Fred from the Laptop Barn. That's your tip for the day. If you like this, hit the like button down below. If you'd like, subscribe to our channel. I need to get 1,000 subscribers to get in YouTube's good graces. So please do that. If you have any questions, post them down below. And thanks again for watching.